girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. What you just started. Me and my bitch go naughty. Give a fuck about this party. We gon' step on shit with cars. Get my coin and swipe that bitch, and now the spirit to charge. Making moves and being on bitches, I be really much. I got hands for a hoe, I get bands for a show. He want chance after chance after chance, nigga. No, I keep saying free love folk. Do my dance on them folks. If it's up, it's going down. Soon as I land on them folks. I'm fresh. Don't follow the rules, I'm broke. No, I stand out, bitch, I'm special. I'm stand up, bitch, like cat. You a bum ass bitch, you wet. Don't stall me, bitch, I'm pet. Line in the bitch up, I'm wet. I don't pick and choose, it's up with whoever. All my diamonds certain, and all these members certitude. Smiling in my nigga, ho, knock out all your 30 toenails. C8 doors, open up for me. Hear the engine roar, switch to sport. I got somewhere to be, little baby, I'm important. It came with a drum, yeah, that's my favorite gun. Asked if he my only nigga, I said no, but you my favorite one. Nah, yeah, Reds bitch, nigga, I'm one-on-one. Nah, I can't make you mine, but I can make you come. Freak up in the sheets, in them streets, baby, I'm a thug. I just threw 10,000 something ones in this fucking club. I'm popping it so hard, cause I ain't used to shit. These niggas ain't got no type, they want a stupid bitch.
Fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them whole precision. Give us my only decision. Young gun, no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make this bird fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for UNice hair, and today I'm reviewing a glueless unit, you guys. This is a beautiful closure unit, and you know what this reminds me of? I don't know if you guys are old enough to know of this artist, but there used to be a group called G Unit, and there was a girl in the group and her name was Olivia, and this is giving me Olivia kind of vibes. Like, she used to always wear her hair this color. I love the way that they executed the color job on here. It's just like the perfect amount of like highlights and lowlights in it. And the best thing about this unit is that it did come pre-curled, but I did mess my curls up running my fingers through it just a little bit too much, so I had to like refresh a couple of curls. But yeah, when you get this unit, try not to like undo the curls. If you really want the curls to curl how they need to curl, don't run your fingers through them too much, okay? And I did go ahead and add some layers here in the front just to do like a curtain bang and like frame my face area, and it looks so good. I love how that turned out. And you guys, this is a completely glueless install, okay? I did not have to use any product. It was very quick and easy to style and easy to wear, and I think that's the best part about it because for one, it's a time saver. We love a unit that's not gonna have us sitting here for hours doing our hair. Probably spend a lot of time just trying to do your makeup and find an outfit. So if you can have a unit like this that's already ready to wear right out of the box, it just makes the process so much more easier. You don't have to worry about plucking the hairline, cutting the lace, bleaching the knots, none of it, because everything is done for you already. So when it comes to this unit, I did add some concealer in the part. As you guys can see, it's a very deep parting space. This is a 7 by 5 inch closure unit, you guys. And look how deep that parting space goes. It goes all the way back here, and then you get all of this space here in the front for the actual lace. Now, one of the other things that I really like about this unit is the fit. The fit is absolutely amazing on this unit. It fits me so snug. I like the fact that it doesn't just have the removable elastic band, because a lot of units, when they claim to be glueless, that's the only thing that they have in the unit is the elastic band that you can like hook in and take out. And I don't know about you, but sometimes in certain units, like it slips out. Sometimes it's uncomfortable. The little metal pieces are hard and it's like uncomfortable, like, you know. But this one is very comfortable, and not only that, but it has the straps in the back and it has a comb in the back, so you can just like hook that underneath your braids and you're just pretty much good to go. But like I said, this is completely glueless, so you know we have to do a comb test, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and come in a little bit closer so we can see, is this really glueless or not, you know? So here is an up close look at this hairline. It is so natural, you guys. It looks so good. It's seamless, and this is without any product, okay? You don't have to use lace front glue. You don't have to be got to be glued. You don't have to use hairspray. You don't have to use anything. You don't have to sit there with getting a headache wearing that melting band for forever either. It's just seamless, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. You can literally just take a comb and you can go right up underneath that lace, okay? Y'all might have missed it, so I'm gonna do it again. Go up under that lace, just like that. Now, the one thing that I will say about this unit is it does have a lot of like these flyaways that I'm not really a big fan of. But other than that, you know, I like the unit. So you can just lift that up and you guys can see like the concealer that I put on there, and then you can just literally lift it right back down. Ta-da. And the color is just so beautiful. I mean, now that I'm up close, you guys can really see that color. I love the highlights and the lowlights in this hair. They did such a good job with this unit. I love this color. I feel like it complements my skin tone really well. Even like down to like my eyebrows. I feel like my eyebrows look really good. I know that's just like a side note thing, but I think my eyebrows look really good with this hair. Yeah, this is so pretty. I love this. This is just amazing. And I do currently have this unit in a 24 inch, so if you guys are wondering how long it is, since this side is more like, you know, loose, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So if I pull it here, it stretches out pretty far. There's still some room there. And then standing up, I'll show you guys where it hits on me. So from the side, it hits there. I'll just go ahead and pull this whole piece down just to show you guys the difference. So this is where the hair would stop, and then it goes all the way down here. This unit will look really pretty if you were to flat iron it out as well. And then from the back, while it's curled, you guys can see like where it hits. And then I can pull it. So it's pretty long. It just has some flyaways, but other than that, this unit is perfect to me. I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love the fact that it comes pre-curled. I like the fact that it's just easy to just put on and go, and you don't have to sit there trying to do baby hairs and all of that kind of stuff. It's just effortless, and it looks really good. But yeah, the only downside to it is just the flyaways. You can easily tame them with like some spray. You can use hairspray or something like that. Just be careful with the hairspray. I wouldn't spray it like directly on. If I was to use hairspray, I would spray it in my hands and then like go like that. Just because sometimes when you spray it, sometimes it puts too much product on the hair, and then it gets hard and crunchy, and then if you comb it, it gets like white and flaky. So yeah, I don't like that spraying hairspray directly on. And you guys know that about me. Even when I install a unit with hairspray, I don't just spray it all on my forehead and just have it dripping down. Y'all know me. I be using this right here, okay? But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have a question that I didn't answer, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Shout out to UNice Hair for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.